Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in onto your Instagram account on phone with two-factor authentication enabled. So to start, this is my phone. I click on my Instagram app, install on my phone. You install Instagram app on phone. On the top, click on the link to watch the video on how you can install Instagram app on your phone. So after installation, you log in to your Instagram accounts with username and password. Then you click on login tab. This will prompt you to enter a verification code or a confirmation code generated by your Google Authenticator app used as your two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. So to find out the code, you open Google Authenticator app, install on your phone. So I switch to my Google Authenticator app. There's my Google. I click on open to open Google Authenticator app. So to install Google Authenticator app on your phone, on the top, watch the video on how you can install Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. So I copy the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator app. Then I switch to my Instagram app. This is my Instagram app. Then I paste in the verification code or 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. So I click on continue to confirm my login. Now I have able to access my Google Authenticator app. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.